Hi everyone, I am Dr.D.Princy, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cyber Security, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In this video, we are going to see the Python data types. There are a number of built-in data types in Python. Generally, the data is stored in variables, can be of different types for different purposes. We have to specify the types of the data which the variable hold. Python has the following built-in data types: numbers, string, booleans, list, tuples, dictionaries, and sets. Python numbers. There are three numeric types in Python: integer, float, and complex. Integer is a whole number. It may be either positive or negative, and it does not have a decimal part. Float have a decimal part, that is a floating point number. It is also maybe a positive or negative number. It must contain one or more decimal values. Complex numbers are written with the j as the imaginary part. It have real part and the imaginary part. For example, x is equal to 1 is an integer, y equal to 2.8 is a float, z equal to 1j is a complex number. Python strings. A string is a group of characters. In Python, a string are surrounded by either single quotation mark or double quotation mark. When you are assigning the string to the variable, the variable name followed by an equal sign and the string values, the value should be enclosed with the double quote or single quote. We can display the string literal using the print function. Like print of hello, directly we can display the string values without assigning the value to the variable. We can assign a multi-line string to a variable using the three quotation. Python boolean. When we compare a values, it returns either true or false. So for that purpose, we can use the Python boolean data type. The expression is evaluated and the Python returns the boolean answer. When run a condition in if statement, Python returns true or false. And it evaluates to evaluate the values and variables, we can use the bool function, whether the value is true or false. For example, print of bool of hello, print of bool of 15. So either it can, if the value is given, it return true. If it is empty, it return false. Generally, most values are true, some values are false. So how we can evaluate? Almost any value is evaluated true if it is has some sort of content. That is, there is a value in that. Any string is true except empty string. That means for example, other than the string, if you have some values, the value is true. If it is string data type, if does not empty, the value is true. If a number except 0, the value is true. Any list, tuple, set and dictionary are true except empty ones. If there is no element in that, it returns false. Otherwise, the value is true only. Some values are false. In fact, there are not many values that are evaluated to false except values such as the number is 0 and the value is empty and does not have any values. Then the result is false. Python list. Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable of different data types. Generally, array is a group of elements of the same data type, but lists are used to store multiple elements of different data types. Lists are created using the square brackets. It is an ordered items. It is changeable, that is mutable, and allow duplicate values also. That means more than one value have the same value. More element have the same value. So this is an example. List items are indexed also. Like means the first element have the index 0, second 1, third 2, like that. The last element, when you are retrieving from last, then negative values will start. To determine the elements, we can use the len function. Python tuples. Tuples also are used to store multiple items in a single variable of different data types. Tuples written with the round brackets, and this is also ordered, but it is immutable, that is unchangeable, and also it allows the duplicate values. The difference between list and tuples are list are mutable. The elements are, once you assign a value, the elements can be changed in future, but in tuple the elements cannot be changed. So tuples are assigned with the elements using square bracket. Tuple 1 apple, banana, cherry, it have a string values 1, 5, 7, 9, 3, it have integer value true, false, false, it have a boolean values. A tuple can contain different values, that is string, a number, boolean, a number, and the string, like that. Python dictionaries. Dictionary is also used to store data values using the format called as the key value pair. It have two parts. The first part, the left side part is key and the right side part is value. Both should be separated with the colon, combined with the colon. This is an example, dictionary. It uses the curly braces. When you are assigning an element to the dictionary, we can use the curly braces. Dictionary is also ordered, changeable, and does not allow duplicate values. It can have only unique values. Name colon John, that is name is a key, John is the corresponding value to that key name. Age 20, address Coimbatore. We can access the values using the key dict of name. Name displays as John. The values in dictionary items can be of any data type. That means key also it can be any data type. Values also can be any data type. Python sets. Sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable. A set is a collection which is in unordered. Like other list and tuples are ordered, but set is an unordered value and it unchangeable and unindexed. It can be enclosed with round bracket within square bracket. See, set 1, set is a keyword, round bracket, square bracket 1, 2, 3, 4. Sets are also written with curly bracket also. A set do not allow duplicate values. So how we differentiate dictionary and set means dictionary have a key value pair, but when you're enclosing the set with the curly braces, that directly we can assign the elements. Set items can be of any data type. It also includes numbers, boolean, all the remaining data types. A set can contain different data types also. In one set, we can use different data type elements. It is also possible to use the set constructor to make a set. Set is a constructor. We can make a set using the constructor. Thank you all.